What's up, guys? It is good to be back for another trading day, and it's currently 9:26. It's really good to be back. As you can see, you can already see my whole brief analysis of what I think is gonna happen. So let's break it down real quick. So if we go into the 4 hour real quick, we can see there's no fair value gaps. You can see there's no fair value gaps right here. So we're just like, and we did go into from yesterday and going down. Um, yeah, I'm just learning a lot. So we went up, we went down, recovered. So we want to target another fair value gap. We target liquidity, we hit it. Now we want to go back into the fair value gap and then bounce up and target new liquidity. But we're at all-time high, so what can we really target as new liquidity? I mean, this is all-time highs, so what can we really target? So what could really happen is just we hit these liquidity points right here, what I hopefully do want to happen, and we just go straight down. That's what I want to happen. I do think, like I said before, because we're at all-time highs doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna go down lower. We can still continue to go up high. But what I do want to see happens, what I'm saying is what I want to see happen is it to go up. Now, if it starts going down from the start, I want to look at Asia lows. I want to look at Asia lows, see if we haven't tapped that. Um, these two areas we can tap into and just go up higher and then tap up to the price to these prices right here. We can just go down, or even this 15 minute actually too. We can just go down. So yeah, just that's a possibility. If we go into the 1 hour, we can just see a stable uptrend. You know, at 11, if it closes below the price of 26,806, then we have a break of structure, and it looks like we're just heading down. So yeah, but really not looking at 15. I'm just looking at the 1 hour and see where we're like, what's the trend? It looks like an uptrend, but still, I think we're gonna go down. If we go into the 15 minute, we have this 15 minute fair value gap right here, nowhere else. Gap right here, but obviously got inverted. I don't even know why I said that. Yeah, so we got the 15 minute gap right here, got respected. You can see right there, and these 2 points right here. On the 15 minute, if we go to the 5 minute, you can see these two low resistance liquidity, and these points right here where I want this is what I want to see happen. Like, this is the pattern it's giving off. Tap the high, went down, then market open. I wanted to tap these highs and go right back down. Form like a kind of M shape. McDonald's. There we go. Alright, let me stop chat. Let me stop playing around. But yeah, that's what I really want to see happen. If do we have an SMT? No, we do not. You know why? Because it tapped this low, but didn't tap this low. Same with NQ. We're just waiting. It's a bit laggy. Sorry about that, chat. We have 30 seconds until market open. I'm gonna give me a second. Almost forgot. Oh my gosh, almost forgot. So there we go. Market is open, but we have we go to the calendar. Yeah, Fed chair, the new chairman, Ted Wash. Oh gosh, I forgot his name. Can we get some information? Um, Kevin. Oh, it was Kevin. I think I said K in the last video. Kevin Wash. He's a new Fed chair. We're gonna listen to what he says, and he speaks at 11. No, sorry, 10. So I think like let's see, 10, 10, not 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after. Actually, yeah. 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after. This whole area I want to really look out for. Okay, we're going down lower. So I just want to really, okay, it looks like I'm going to have to look out for it. This is not Asia lows if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it is. No, I'm chatting. So, look, whoa, that's a giant red candle. If I'm not mistaken, that's got to be like 80 points. Oh, it's 50 points. Okay, it looked a bit exaggerated. I promise. So yeah, I knew he was gonna go. I knew he was wanting to go down. But let's see if we can tap Asia lows. See if we want to go up higher. Asia lows have been tapped. Uh, Not really much I can do. But you gotta be patient, and you gotta be careful of this. This is dangerous. Minutes, 4 bars. Yeah, there we go. So let's see. Let's turn on our things. I'm gonna get right back at you. I'm gonna get right back with you guys. Hold on, just gonna see any points. Wow. I definitely want to take shorts. But if I see the opportunity for longs, I'm gonna long that bit. I am going to long that bit, but shorts are looking really juicy. Yeah, no. Honestly, shorts gotta be the best play. But again, if I get the opportunity for shorts, you know what's the play here? Point of control's all the way up there. We just gotta be patient, guys. We just gotta be patient, and I'll get back into you guys with see what happens. You know, I gave my review on what's gonna happen. Let's see. I was kind of right. Went down, but I did want it to hit these points. Oop, I did want it to hit these points, but it didn't. It didn't. That's all right. So I guess we can look for the longs. See if we get the opportunity. We have this fair value gap right here. If it inverses it, I'm gonna look for the retracement. And yeah, it looks like it's respecting it. Yeah, just I really want to get this trade before, you know, this time. I'm not trading in there. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I'll get back with you guys. We have a breaker structure. If it goes in, forms a, if it goes out, forms and retraces. Like that's the best thing I'm gonna do. That's the best thing we could do, and I'm gonna love it if we do that. And hopefully we do it. So I'll get back with you guys. All right. So chat, I just entered in the long. Ooh, can we hurry up and load? There we go. I just entered in along with 5 micros. I'm going in big. I know it's not Monday or Tuesday or whatever, but I believe in this trade. I really do believe in this trade right now. It's looking good to be honest. So we're gonna go for the scale out. Gonna put, yeah, 24. We're gonna take out 2 micros right here. So limit? What is the limit? What is the stop? Right there. Yeah, there we go. Limit. Then we're gonna put buy stop. Put 3 confirm. So I'm gonna put one right here, and then another one 2, so we can like yeah, there we go. Look, it formed a candle right outside. Did an inverse. I'm confident in this trade. I'm not gonna lie. So stop right there. 2. So this is so when I can just cancel out one and put out the other. Actually, I should do that more often. That's way more smarter. And then we hopefully hit full TP right here. And then yeah. So limit, do 3 and 49.25. The exact spot, and I'm confident in the trade. So we'll break it down real quick. So this is before the 10 thing. We got break even out right here. Should we put an alarm? I mean, I will automatically get an alarm, but anyways, whatever. No, it doesn't matter. So if we do, sorry, I'm gonna break it down real quick. 10 minutes, 10 micros, 10 points, and we entered at 84.25, 84.25. I don't know why it's taking so long to load like that. 84.25. No. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, we gave off a bit more points than I wanted to. Huh. Guess it spiked up when I pressed enter. Okay, we're still in the 10 points range. It's fine. Yeah, so not only do we have an inverse right here, but we have, let's show it right here. I was keeping an eye on it, so I didn't really draw it, but still, you guys can clearly see it. Break a structure right here from red to green. entered in, went out. I was looking iffy right here, so I waited. It jumped up while I was looking at it, and I guess it entered me right here, but it's fine, it's whatever. Yeah. So right here, I entered it right here. Yeah, like not much to explain. Equilibrium, break a structure, equilibrium plus with inverse. So I'm looking confident. I don't want to see it go below here, form a kind of below here, or even reach down there, to be honest. But still, we're above point of control, which is looking juicy. If you look on ES made strap equal highs, so it's gonna want to go up even more higher. Come on, that's jackpot. That's gotta be money shot right there. It's gonna want to tap up. I'm confident in trade, to be honest. I'm confident. Um, we probably let me erase these two actually. We probably want to tap. Can I erase that? Probably want to tap Age of Highs. No, either Age of Highs or I think one of these. No, Age of Highs like a low probability we want a chance, but I think the high probability like places where we do want to tap are these three right here. This liquidity point, this liquidity point, these 3 point, and 15 minutes. So 4 points actually. So yeah, you just gotta be patient in the trade. Look at that going up. Look at that going up, baby. Look at that going up. It did another equilibrium for your boy, to be honest too. Look, from red to green. It's doing another equilibrium for your boy. Wow, that's okay. Like that being a little bit generous. You're being generous. Kevin Walsh. Are we like? Are we worried about that chump? Yeah, a bit. Okay, a bit. Yeah, but am I confident in the trade? Yeah. Once we put break even, I'm gonna put. Once we hit break even, once we hit 2 micros, scale out. Um, what is it called? We're gonna be break even. So if Walt be like, yo, chat, everyone, be happy, bro. Um, stocks is going up. I'm your boy right now. Then it's gonna boom and hit full TP. But if he be like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be a bad. Let me calm down. I'm gonna be a bad chairman. I'm gonna hit break even. You know. So I'm in the chat. I'm in it with it. I'm in it for the biscuit. You know what I mean, chat. Why am I freezing? Oh my gosh. I need to put batteries. I need to get batteries. You know? Boom. Wow, that boomed. Okay. There we go. Rocket time. Rocket time. Rocket time. Rocket time. Rocket time. Rocket time. Come on, 5 points away. Come on, 10 points away. They call me Sonic. Whoa. That's alright. I believe in the trade. You gotta let it breathe. You gotta be disciplined. You gotta, you know, you gotta be like, ooh. You know what I mean? I don't even know what I'm talking about, chat. I'm sorry. You gotta like, ooh. Right, that's what they say. You gotta be like, ooh. What the heck is going on? I'm just trying to scroll down, chat. I promise you. You gotta be like, ooh. Alright. Wow. Look at that by one. Sorry, I'm being a bit quiet, aren't I? I guess that's how I am. They call me Sonic. Look for a guy right here, respected. For a guy right here, hopefully respected again. For a guy respected with the candle, but let's hope we can respect it even more and just go up. And if you look at a point of control right here, yeah, but we got some volume right here. So I think my break even was at a good spot because we got some volume right here that I think it wants to get into. There we go.
Order filled.
Ooh. So we're left with 3 micros. And we're at break even. Yes! I'm not even supposed to go to a 5 contract, but I'm just so I'm just so good. Cause chat, that's the new intimate strat. That's your new strat, chat. That's your new strat. Yo, we gotta hit it. We gotta hit it. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna turn on my camera. Watch. We gotta hit this, chat. Oh, we gotta be careful with this bot. I'm gonna put an alarm for this. There you go. I'm gonna put an alarm for that. Yeah, put thingy. Yeah. Okay. It's the 1-to-1 from here. Okay. Sorry, chat. Hold on. I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do right now. Let's change it to 1-to-6. Scale out strap. If we look at ES. Why does it take so long to do that? Oh, it's entering the box. So what could happen? Actually, I'm putting another alarm. It hits the middle of the box. I wanna just look out. Just wanna look, what's going on. Okay, we're hitting that high. Hitting that high. I mean, I really don't have to worry about this because I'm not gonna get in the trade. I'm already in the trade. Let me turn on my camera, chat. A little taste of victory, chat. A little taste of victory. I don't know if my friends are gonna understand that because I do it. Well, one of my friends is gonna understand that when they see it. Yeah, we just let the trade play out. We just let the trade play out. You gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. I'm up for the day. I'm happy. Woo! I'm happy. I'm up for the day. I'm up for the day. I'm at about $90. I'm up already $90. So that is good. That is good business. That is good business. Up 90. Oh, Shrap. Isn't he supposed to talk in 1 minute? Let me move this a little bit up. Just a little bit. Just right there. Come on, give me good news. Give me good news. Give me good news. He's talking in. Guys, he's talking in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, Shrap 2, 1. I'm gonna go. Oh.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay, I got out early. Yes, I got out early. I got out early. Ooh. I got out early. That's a good day. How much are we at? 427. Would we have hit full TP? I think we would have hit full TP, chat. We would have had full TP. We would have had full TP. No. This is why you let the trade hit. Oh, that actually pains me. Okay, that I'll learn my lesson. 430. Nice. Up 430 on the day, chat. Could have been 480. So I missed out on $50. But you know what? My teacher taught me something. My actual high school teacher, because he's a day trader too. What's the difference, like, if you close out your trade early and you lose some profit, like, what's that little bit of profit really mean to you if you up on the day? And we hit full TP, So let's go. Nice. Yes. This is what I'm talking about, baby. Gotta hit the little boogie. Hit a little boogie. All right, I was writing my analysis. What do I think is gonna happen next? Probably 15 minute. Probably short and a 15 minute. A short and a 15 minute would be a good idea. Gave away like between 5 to 10 points. Let's see. How many points did I really give away? Because I entered out on like about like 10 points. Yeah. Okay. That's you know what? That's fine. Hey, Hit the doogie. Hit the doogie. What am I chatting about? Okay, you know what? I'm off. I need to take a walk. That's what you get for with trading with me, guys. I'm pretty sure I was watching TJ's live stream. He was getting rage baited like an idiot. Wow. I love. Oh, this is such perfect. AJ Lowe's. This is A plus setup. AJ Lowe's. No SMT, but still. Inverse, breaker structure, retracement, another retracement too if you wanted, and just all greens all around. That's it for today. Nice. It was beautiful. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do we have any news tomorrow? We just have. No, we don't have any news tomorrow. Actually, wow. No news Wednesday. We'll just have to see. If nothing happens, nothing happens. Then who cares? But yeah. I expected a big reaction on 10 a.m. I guess not. Whatever. Guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Like if you like tomboys. And no, like if you like feet. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.